Hi guys, in this session I would like to share with you how to register as GST practitioner in GST photo. Further, the required documents see photo of the applicant, PAN card, and qualification certificates, and address proof, and Aadhaar card. Just from GST portal, click on the thumbnail. Just come down, and here you will face taxpayers registration and GST practitioner registration. The place of GST practitioner, click on register now. Click on register now. We'll get invoked to the some of the page, and this is the first starter page for registration. Whenever you click on register now, this page will get open. And now select here new registration, and I'm not a taxpayer because of I'm not going to register as a taxpayer. I want to get registered as a GST practitioner. Select GST practitioner. Again, just confirm your state from where you are. And again, confirm your district too. Hyderabad, enter your name of GST practitioner as per PAN card database. Mention your GST applicant name. The applicant name is. Make sure to enter all details in caps only. Our applicant name is Paspunu Neeraj Kumar. So just mention the name and the person's PAN number. The PAN series would be 5 alphabet, 4 numeric digit, 1 alphabet. I can mention the person's email ID. Make sure to mention only in caps. So this is the first page where you can mention your name and the state and district and mobile number and Neeraj Kumar. For further communication, you'll get always OTPs and mobile OTP is to the with this specified email ID and the password. So make sure you enter your own email ID and the password. Now confirm your mobile OTP and again confirm your email ID which you receive in mobile SMS and email inbox. Just confirm the OTPs, one-time passwords, and click on proceed. Now just got registered in GST portal as a TRN. This is the TRN number, temporary registration number. Note down TRN number for further communication with GST portal. Once getting GST and TRN number and from the GST portal, you are liable to complete your next procedure within 15 days of the duration. And click on proceed. Is that mean by 20th of June 2018, 15 days from today onwards, today to next 15 days. It's 26th of June, and click on proceed for next procedures. And make sure before clicking on proceed, you have to keep all of your required documents with you in your hand. And now mention the TRN number which you got right now, which you note down. Mention the TRN number. Right now I got the number, and the TRN number is 361800068551 TRN in caps, and I can mention the captcha code 342000. And click on proceed. Again, will get a message throughout your email ID and the mobile SMS. Just confirm the OTP which you got in either email ID or SMS, anyone. And click on proceed for next procedures. And here now just the tier number created on 13/6/18 GST practitioner form number 1. And just click on action at edit. click on action edit. You'll get to the some of the pages, and this is the four pages which you have to fill to become as a GST practitioner. The first one general details, second one applicant details, the third one professional address, and after that verification. First, in the place of general details, confirm your enrolling authority as a state or UT, just the state. And you are applying a GST practitioner depends on this graduate quality. So I just going to graduate qualification. Even advocate can register. See, all these person can register as a GST practitioner. Out of this, we are getting registered under GST practitioner by showing the qualification of graduate in commerce. Next, name of university. Yes, you are graduated from which university you are. So the person got from Usmani University. Mention the name of university, and again year of passing. And again the qualification, degree, graduate or postgraduate degree in commerce. Just put graduate in commerce. So select this. I just select the second option. Qualifying degree in BCom computers. And again, yes, you qualified in BCom. And what is the proof? So just click on select the proof which you are going to apply to, which you want to show to government. In the place of list of selection option, select again degree qualification certificate in the from the bar. Again, choose the file. Qualifying degree, and click on choose file. To attach the file, make sure that should be only in less than 100 KB. I'm just selecting a file, and this is a proof for qualifying degree. And I click on save and continue for next procedures. The GST portal will validate these proofs which you submitted to the GST portal. And next, now it is asking about applicant details: name of the applicant, father name, the mobile name, middle name, last name, the date of birth of applicant, the gender, the Aadhaar card number. It is asking you all the details. Mention the details of detail. Now it is asking you details of the father of applicant. The father name is Paspunuru Narsimha Pasnuru Narasimha Rao Suresh, and that was the applicant for the name. Mention the applicant date of birth. This is the date of birth of an applicant, not the father. The date of birth is 6 in 1998. The gender male. Confirm the Aadhaar card of the applicant, and it is mandatory. The Aadhaar card number is 53401701766011, and you click on just accept the declaration. And the landline number is not compulsion, so I'm just skipping that. Now it is asking you upload photograph of the person. Just upload a photograph of the person that should be less than 100 KB only. It can be in the format of JPG or PDF. It's only JPG. Sorry. Just click on choose file. Just upload the person's photograph in the format of JPG less than 100 KB. Next, click on save and continue. Next, it is asking you the professional details. Mention the professional address. Okay. Professional address means yes, you are working as a GST practitioner in at what address. It is not asking you your residential address. It is asking you your professional address. Means where you are practicing this GST. That location. All the people they are doing the wrong mistakes. They are putting their residential address. It is not asking you the it is asking you professional address means where you are working as a GST practitioner. That premises address. Mention the building number, floor number, road and street, the city, and at the same time aerial pin code. At the same time, you have to upload your proof for address. The proof of address either you can upload income or municipal tax or property tax or electricity bill. No, I'll upload electricity bill. Or even you can mention rental agreement or lease agreement also. No, I'll upload electricity bill. And I'm uploading some other documents. So I selected document issued by government and just choose the file. I just uploaded in C. These can be in the format of JPG and the two less than 1 MB. And click on save and continue. The last tab you have to just verify your submission of applicant. Click, just accept the declaration, confirm the place of submission, and confirm it your EVC for electronic verification to electronic verification code to get your mobile number. Just confirm your OTP and click on validate OTP. Now you'll get ARN number, application reference number after the 15 minutes. So now the GST department back logins will validate your all of your submissions is they are satisfying the requirement or not. When you are submitting all satisfied document to the GST department and that will get accepted, then we'll get a GST username and a password. By using that GST username and password, you can log into the GST portal. You can file all the companies IT GST filing for competition and regular and application of refund. Again, amendments, you can do all the GST portal working once you become as a GST practitioner.